Hi, today I'm part of my Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of these options or just to change the positions of the icons in our screen panel, we should click to this plus icon and you'll see here this up section with all of the visible options. Just to add these options to your panel, you should hold it and drag it by this way. To remove some of them, by the same way, hold the option and drag it to this up section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should hold it and drag it. As you can see, it's so simple. To reset the changes, click to reset. If you wanna save them, just click to done. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.